us to present our business as a end-to-end operation is very important.
We often create things that the market and customers don't even know they need yet. It's the collaboration of our team and the company that enables this to happen.
So we have detailed work instructions for every stage of the process. We also have a first-off procedure where the technicians will take away the first product of every job, take it to our area, and they have a full checklist of what things they need to check for each product.
Having a strong team, the right skills, and also the skills we need for a great product. And when I see what they are able to program, I'm very impressed. We can define what we expect the product to deliver regarding features, standards, and also safety requirements, making sure we actually deliver the product the customer needs.
You know, every feedback from the customer is important. It's an opportunity for us to make it better.
We get to find, what is going to be the next big thing in the market and what can we do to stay ahead. Because at the moment, I would say the products that we do are market leading.
I'm very proud of our team. We're very curious and we deliver amazing technology to the world.